Okay, welcome to room 239 at the Lerwick Hotel at Lerwick in Shetland. So let's give you a guided tour and start by the door as we always do. So turning right here, this is the bathroom, and it's actually quite a small bath with a shower over the top. I have to say the water pressure is dismal for the shower, but the temperature is okay. Bath was okay, had that yesterday. Wash basin. This is quite interesting here. It's actually, the towel rail is on, which is lovely. It's quite difficult to use the loo and not scald your leg on the towel rail, but hey ho. And out into the room. Wardrobe here on the left, and into the room itself. So a little work desk, tea and coffee here as well. Television with plenty of channels, or the few Freeview channels on there. Just a regular double bed, bedside lights either side, which is handy, and there is actually a spare power socket down here near to the bed, so that's good. This heater, which has been on full tilt, but have to turn it off at night because otherwise it makes quite a loud sort of clicking in and out sound. So the room's been it's been okay. I wouldn't say it's warm, but it's been okay. Thankfully an extra blanket available, so that's been helpful. And let's just show you the view here. So down to the right hand side, you've got the Tesco supermarket, so you can actually walk. You might be able to see a little shore path there, but just this side of the wall you can actually follow that path down to the right and walk down to Tesco's. It's quite a windy day, so we've got about 40-mile-an-hour winds at the moment. And it was windier last night, so quite stormy at the minute. Some heavy rain last night, and they might be able to see the little lights that flashes. That's the Bressay lighthouse. So you can see Bressay, the land just over on the left hand side out to sea, and Lerwick here. So you can actually walk into town. There is quite a nice coastal walk here. It's about 30-35 minutes, following around the Nab. It's a little bit up and down in places, but it's nice. So this is the Lerwick Hotel in Lerwick, Shetland.